Welcome everyone to my new video presentation on ARBITRUM price prediction for the upcoming 2 weeks that are left of 2023. We are going through halfway right here and aiming for discovering what's happening with this crypto, which is actually taking the spotlight again. People usually underestimate it, but it's $481 million. Their blockchain is very effective, and the upscaling of the way people and community is running around with all sorts of services, products, and actually delivering at the end of the day is what matters, is just really worth our attention as a crypto community and enthusiasts. So Arbitrum right now is at $1.18, which is obviously not maybe the price you guys would have expected today, but at the same time, I'm going to tell you the reality. The market is delivering at the time a lot of you are not going to expect it has the ability to deliver anymore. So just stick with the numbers and feel free to watch this video till the end to find out more. By the way, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We have 100 video episodes of price predictions for 2024. We have posted episode number 8, and there's going to be Arbitrum as well included at some point. So like the video and keep yourself subscribed to the channel. Have a good time enjoying many other educational materials, including me live trading, such as I'm doing right now on our scalping for the Ethereum. $12,000 unrealized profit, 350 Ethereums as a total size. It's a quick scalping, guys, that we have been executing quite fast right here on Bybit. By the way, this is an entry at 2,248. 2,248 is exactly there where the blue line starts basically horizontally, and this is the very bottom. This is how basically we're trading with our ChatGPT bot, which allows us to perform. No prior fee. If you want to join, you can actually copy this. Option number 1 is no prior fee, only commission from the profits we achieve. So it's based on performance. The trading is automated. It's done through API trading permission, and we are basically following through that. There's also the option number 1 on a monthly fixed fee, where you handle the complete process and deal with the signals by yourself. As well, we have the one-on-one coaching live with me, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to be a trader from A to Z. I'm going to talk about this one at the end of the video, guys. Now let's see what's happening with Arbitrum. Daily candlesticks as usually, as we definitely care about the strong informations coming from the market. Now, the number one thing is I'm going to take out the moving averages for the moment and let the other side fill out, including the ability for us to have a zigzag behavior in between two major zones, demand and supply at the highest. Right, so we're actually in this zone right here, which is marking basically an accumulation stage below that, including the double bottom, extremely bullish pattern at the time. This one right here at 0.77, 0.76 is going to be the lowest price you're going to see Arbitrum in a while. As soon as the markets are still keeping themselves healthy for 2024, we're not supposed to break that anymore. We're actually supposed, especially in the upcoming period, to take this cryptocurrency to a much higher level, especially that there is a necessity as soon as you're finding yourself above the major demand level. So number one thing is the volume profile indicator that shows us the key level of domination. If we would like to be under heavy domination by the bulls, we must get situated with strong conjunction of bullishness from a variety of levels of indicators and price actions above the red line. Horizontal red line right now sits on 1.1617, more likely exactly where we are trading more or less at the moment. So that is a level we actually need to be above. If that one refuses and sticks you lower, it's going to be an issue due to the fact that the demand level is going to be retested as a major zone. And if the crypto market is not going to find itself in an upcoming consistent buying pressure, then Arbitrum is going to have the difficulties of challenges. But usually, as soon as you're having the ability to climb yourself higher than the key level along the way with a golden pocket that we have there for the internal structure that we're dealing with the top of 1.35, then we are supposed to continuously attack basically and put some pressure against the bears at the level of their supply. Along the way with a very, very strong resistance line. This is a multi energy and direction resistance line that used to be in the past as a support. 185 days around the market, which is representing major strength, which is why we were not able to break out at this time. And even basically yesterday, we are kind of stuck at that level, which is also getting in mixture conjunction very soon with the supply level at the top between 1.30, 1.35. Again, these are levels that will need massive volume generated by Arbitrum. And the market is not right now in a shape to give you the volume for Bitcoin. So it's most likely you are on your own. You need to do this Arbitrum. You need to get back to the supply, break out of it. Even though you might get yourself in a difficult shape around the massive golden pocket from the all-time high between 1.4, 1.45. Retrace back basically to the previous supply level. Keep it around for a double, triple confirmation appearing, including conjunctions and so on with other indicators, and take it higher. I mean, we need to sort of attack basically the major supply between 1.3, 1.35 before the year ends. And then I'd like to see how does that fight is going to go on and how are we actually portrayed it. In this case scenario, we've been able to take it to a much higher levels in a healthy way, but this structure right here is still not part of a rally. This structure right here is still part of a market situation where people get rid of Arbitrum and they put some selling pressure on. As you can see, the red candles do appear, guys. And for other cryptocurrencies out there that are moving, you have 6, 7, 8 days, 9 days, 4 days in a row without red candles appearing, even though they did move a lot. So percentage-wise, you're not in the best shape. Today I'm also talking about Cardano, Celestia, Fetch.ai. This is 53% in the past 55 days, averaging 1% a day. Not in the best shape for sure. People expect a much better outcome from Arbitrum. That needs actually your time to be patient around and handle the process accordingly. We will take the highs, we will attack basically, and as soon as it moves and it has the ability to overcome the zigzagged area of resistance between 1.272 extension and 1.414, we will deal with a massive volume coming above $2. Again, we're going to have a price prediction for 2024 video on that episode. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and like this video as well. But for the moment, we need to deal with the supply level at the highest level. So I'm going to get back to you in the next few days around Arbitrum. And that's pretty much it on the topic for this time. Once again, if you'd like to be part of my trades, you can definitely do that. By the way, you can schedule up a free conversation with me where I can explain you more on the topic as well, how does the API trading works, including the coaching program where I'd like to spend a minute right here explaining you. Also, you can have a very detailed explanation in the video. You can have a free conversation with me if you're serious on the topic. But this is something that is dedicated only for serious people at the end of the day that would like to transform their potential level into greatness, which means that you are looking for sort of a way hitting the jackpot with the upcoming bull run, such as become financial free, or the ability to correct basically all the mistakes you performed in the past, all the mistakes you have been going through in the past bull markets, or if you're just starting out, it's no issue. It is pretty much for everyone at any level, which is why I'm working one-on-one directly to know what is your level, what is happening with you, and what are the next steps that you need to work on. It is a coaching program that is running live, where we are taking you through the whole process. I'm taking you through the whole process of what does a trader needs to do, to know, to think, and to act. Again, find out more on the page and looking forward to it. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, let me know your prediction around Arbitrum for the next days in the comments area or any thoughts that you're putting out, guys. That's all on the topic. Enjoy, and we'll talk to you soon.